very important topic in the tourism and hospitality industry, the professional development. So to help us dive into this, I'm with Miss Fernalyn Fernandez, Miss Nanette Zamora, they will help us share their insights. So now, let's begin the show. So let's begin with the basics. How does professional development actually work in hospitality industry?
Professional development and hospitality is really about continuous learning. It comes in many forms like training program, mentorship, certification, and leadership development opportunities. For example, Maritos Voyage program prepared graduates for leadership position, while Hilton Management Development Program guides. Cures in the Philippines TESDA also offers certification in housekeeping for food beverage, in the front of office service, which give workers nationally recognized skills.
That's right. And it's not only for managers or graduates. Frontline employers also benefit. The Department of Tourism runs the Filipino Brand of Service Excellence Training, which focuses on customer service and hospitality values. So in short, professional development works by equipping people at all levels with the skills and knowledge they need to succeed in the industry.
So now that we know how it works, let's move on to the second question. So, why is professional development so important in industry growth?
The hospitality industry is fast changing. Guests expect more personalized service. Technology keeps evolving and sustainability is becoming a priority. Without ongoing training, the industry can't keep up. Professional development ensures that hotels and tourism business stay competitive and globally organized.
And when employees will train to provide better service, will lead to happier guests, repeat visits, and positive reviews that directly boost and reputation and growth of the industry. So really, professional development is foundation of long-term industry success.
Right. So that makes sense. And now, let's talk about the benefits. So I'm curious about the benefits. So what are the advantages of professional development for both employees and employers?
For employees, it is all about opportunities. Training and development help them gain their confidence, improve their skills, and even more up career ladder. Imagine starting as new attendant and through training, mentoring, becoming a supervisor, manager. That's real career growth.
Exactly. And for employers, the benefits are just as important. Well-trained staff deliver excellent customer service, which created loyal guests and strengthened the brand. Plus, it reduces employee turnover because people are more likely to stay when they feel supported and valued in their careers.
So finally, let's take a look at today's opportunities, like what professional development programs are available right now in hospitality. So what can you suggest?
There are plenty of opportunities. Locally, we have the Offer Academy, which trains the employees in the leadership and grad culture. The IHG Academy offers internship and community partnership, while Hyatt or Rise HY program creates a job for young people without formal education.
And locally, TESDA provides certifications like housekeeping and food beverage services, and which are very valuable in the industry. Like Google also runs brand service, excellent training, and on top of that, international certification like ABI and GPCs give hospitality professional credentials like recognized worldwide.
Thank you so much for joining and listening us today. To wrap it up, Professional development is not just about learning new skills, it's about investing in people, improving service, and strengthening the future of the tourism and hospitality industry. As the saying goes, when you grow your people, you grow your business. And that's what makes a hospitality and tourism industry truly thrive. Once again,
I'm Arlene Fernandez, Zamora Diaz.
and I am Hanimidi Caninazo, your host for today's podcast. Thank you and mabuhay!